Hello everyone, my name is Angel and I'm going to show you how to decorate a pancake with 5 easy steps at home. I have some jam, strawberry jam, some chocolate with nuts, we have some banana, and then we have 2 spoons that are going to be for different stuff. Now, we're going to decorate the pancake. I got some cheese and also a kind of tool to grind the cheese into little pieces. Now, I've chosen the pancake, and number 1 is to decorate the pancake. So, we just open the jar. And then scoop it up on the pancake. Scoop it up on the pancake. Scoop it up on the pancake, and then if you think you've got enough, just spread it on. I think I need a little bit more. Then spread it all around. After that, we put this is how it looks when it has all the jam on it. Now, we're going to skip number 2. Skip on to number 2. So, number 2, put this chocolate on. The jar is really hard to open. Now, I just finally got it open. And the next step is put some Nutella on top of the pancake. So I get a spoonful, then put it on. Put it on like that. Then spread, mix it up. It kind of looks a bit weird when it mixes up. So, a little bit more. If it doesn't come off, don't matter. This is how it looks when you put it on the Nutella. Then we're going to skip on to number 3. So, it doesn't matter how it looks like. What matters is how it tastes like. So, next step, the 3rd step is grind some cheese on. So, I just peel open the cheese. Okay, I finally opened this cheeky cheese. Now it's time to put some on. Okay, wrong way. Now I'm going to grind it. So this is how you do it. A little bit is going to be good. Just going to have to put it on every single part of the pancake. Now, if you have some left over, that doesn't matter. You just put it back on the cheese box. Then, this is how it looks like when you grind the cheese on top of the pancakes. Step number 4, roll it up. Then, we're going to roll it up. It's a bit cheeky. So, it looks like when it's all rolled up. Now I'm gonna go back. So I got a banana here. Let me peel it. You peel all the skin off because you're going to have to cut it. There we go. Put it here. And now it's time to cut it. This is how it looks like when it's done. And now it's time to try it. Okay, now try a bite. Mmm, it's delicious. I just had a bite of it and it tastes delicious. It is so tasty. It is so yummy. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos.